lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run nìkan ni alágbára. A sì rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Mo sì dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Mr. President.
Kábíyèsí
orí ẹ̀sọ́ lómìnirin àmọ̀.
Kábíyèsí.
Mo dẹ̀ máa ń sọ nǹkan kan o pé ayé ìrìnra ẹ̀nà mi òkè ọ̀gá jù nílẹ̀ ẹni
òkè mọ̀.
apá bí ló wà.
Kábíyèsí.
Ọ̀nà ló bá mi bí omi lọ́rẹ̀ òkè mọ̀. Náà kẹ́tì ẹ̀
Àforí sọlẹ̀. Kábíyèsí olókun.
Rí pé àwọn Atiku oyè sùn kẹ́mọ́jì.
Kábíyèsí o.
Ẹ̀rà sọ ní ìrìn ló fẹ́.
Kábíyèsí.
Ó lè là mọ́ Gamale 20. Ẹ̀rọ ní bínú. Gamale 20 tàbí kẹ́fò látorí òkè
Òkú àwòsí.
ṣe kòkó house.
Kábíyèsí.
Òkè mọ̀. Ilé ìṣà àsọ̀rọ̀ Ìbàdàn. Torí bẹ́ẹ̀, àṣẹ ti gun yìí.
Àṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Àṣẹ.
Ayádọ́gbẹ́ lọ gómìnà ìdúgbò pírẹsidẹ́ntì wa Atiku. Yorùbá débẹ̀ kan mọ́ gbàgbé o.
Kábíyèsí olókun.
Gbàgbé o.
Kábíyèsí.
Orúkẹ ètò ti wà. Gómìnà ti mọ̀.
Kábíyèsí.
Pé gómìnà pírẹsidẹ́ntì agbára Ọlọ́run. Á dàbí àlànà. Á sì rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Sọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan tó lọ́run ti fọwọ́ sí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ àì sọ̀rọ̀ níbi kẹ̀mọ́ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Náà ni mo sì ń sọ pé Ọlọ́run á gbọ́ àdúrà wa. Ọlọ́run á gbọ́ àdúrà wa. Inshallah. A rí bẹ́ẹ̀. A sì ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Gbogbo àwọn ìjòyè mi pátá ó sì mọ̀ yí pé ó ṣe máa rí náà. Kí gbogbo ẹ̀bá mi fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ pàápàá lórí yunifásitì wa àbẹ̀gómìnà wa tó máa fi jáfìrà. Torí pé àwọn tí nǹkan ò yé wọ́n sọ pé ó sì ní àwọn nǹkan kan táwọn fẹ́ ṣe. Àwa la dá ìjọba wa, ìjọba gómìnà òun ló dá yunifásitì yìí sílẹ̀.
Kábíyèsí olókun.
Ó sì ti dá yunifásitì sílẹ̀. A ò bẹ ẹni kankan pé nǹkan tí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ti ṣe ó ti tẹ́ wa lọ́rùn. Gómìnà wa kí lọ́wọ́ sí gbogbo ìlú lọ́wọ́ sí. Èmi tí mo sì jẹ́ bàbá gbogbo wọn pátápátá mi ò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ èèyàn pé kó wá fọwọ́ sí.
kábíyèsí olókun.
ìran ọmọ àlè ló lè máa sọ pé kò tẹ́ wọn lọ́rùn.
kábíyèsí.
gbogbo nǹkan tí gómìnà wa yìí ṣe nípa yunifásitì gbogbo ẹ̀ ló tẹ́ wa lọ́rùn.
kábíyèsí olókun.
ẹni tó bá wá ń sọ pé kò tẹ́ òun lọ́rùn kò tẹ́ òun lọ́rùn kó má tiẹ̀ wá bá mi.
kábíyèsí olókun.
èmi gan ló dá yunifásitì yìí. ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́. mi ò ní lè bẹ́ẹ̀ yàn láti rí i pé mo tú ayé ẹ̀ ṣe.
kábíyèsí olókun.
mi ò lè bẹ́ẹ̀ yàn pé mo fẹ́ tú ayé ẹ̀ ṣe máa ara o nígbà tá a ti dálẹ̀ yẹn a ti dálẹ̀
kábíyèsí olókun.
for good wishes gómìnà wa yìí àti àṣọ ẹ̀ pé a ti dá yunifásitì yìí.
kábíyèsí
pé ká ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ máa gba búrúbúrú bì kan tàbí ká máa bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan tán kí wọ́n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn. ẹni tó bá fẹ́ wà ní kó má wà. so bó ṣe rí nìyẹn. ọlọ́run á dá gbogbo wa sí àmì lárí láyé yìí. àáríjẹ àríhun àṣírí náà àrílò bó ṣe rí nìyẹn.
Kábíyèsí o. For the benefit of those of us who don't understand Yoruba.
On behalf of Osogbo people, I welcome our incoming president, the Kudrat Loi, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. Now, Osogbo has accepted the apology wholeheartedly because we know it is due to your commitments. Whatever speech you make here for the expected request will be granted by the grace of God. My speech is already prepared and will be read out by the leader of the elders of Osogbo community and the active president of Osogbo Action Council in person of Alhaji Ajadi Badmus.
God, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. Welcome address on the visit of the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, to the Ataja Osogbo land, Kábíyèsí, Ọba Jimoh Ọlánìpẹ̀kun Oyètúnjí. Today, December 8, 6, 2022. Protocol observed. Your Excellency, on behalf of the Ataja of Osogbo land, Kábíyèsí Ọba Jimoh Ọlánìpẹ̀kun Oyètúnjí, the Ataja of the Council, the baálẹ̀, the indigents and residents of the land, I formally welcome you to Osogbo, the capital city of Osun State, where peaceful coexistence among different ethnic groups reign supreme. I want to commend your resilience in pursuing your political aspiration to lead Nigeria according to your transformational blueprint. History has already noted you as there is no other Nigeria, late or living, who has demonstrated such consistency in that regard. On this another attempt, I want to assure you that God, in His great mercy, the design for you shall manifest come February 2022. While Osogbo is wishing you all the very best, we, however, want to place before you the underlying request. just for: 1, reopening of the Osogbo steel rolling and Osogbo machine 2, both of which have been under lock for over 2 decades. 2, completion of the Federal Secretariat situated at along Ibokun Road, Osogbo. 3, siting of a federal university as obtained in other state capitals across Nigeria. And number 4, the activation of the Federal Industrial Center on the Ilesha Road, which has been there for decades. Finally, dualization of the narrow station road, which passed to in front of the Ataja Palace here. Your Excellency, if these requests are implemented, they will further enhance the status of Osogbo as a state capital and improve socio-economic life of the growing population. Once again, we wish you a successful campaign today and the ultimate success at the presidential election. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And I want to assure
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad wa sallim. Wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah al-aliyyil azim. I want to thank Almighty Allah for giving us this opportunity to host the next President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, inshallah. We want to thank you for coming. For your help, inshallah, when you become the president. We know your being the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria will make our governor to perform wonder. And we pray that Almighty Allah will be with you. I want to thank all people present, most especially the pillar of the PDP, not only in Osun State, also in Nigeria. Please, the success of Adeleke is the success of every one of you. I saw so many people that probably we are indifferent when we are doing the voting, when we are doing the election for the Demola Adeleke. So I want to come together and work as a one, as a whole, in order for the government to perform wonder. And we want to employ I want to solicit for the support of Excellency, our next president, to please help me call these people together so that they will work in synergy, so that at the end of the day, you will get 100% vote in Osun State. We want to thank you and want to let you know that as we supported Ademola Adeleke, the people of Osun State are ready to give you our vote. And I'm assuring you, please be sure, because our mother is here, is our son of the soil. And if we are going to do that, we are telling you that we are going to vote massively for PDP. So at the end of the day, when you are coming, the next time you will be here, you come here to say a big thank to every one of you, every one of us. So please, dákun ọ̀rọ̀ ló délẹ̀ yìí. Bí a ṣe dúró tá a dìbò fún Demola ni ẹ jẹ́ á dìbò fún president wa o. Yorùbá ní ìrọ̀rùn ogi náà ní ìrọ̀rùn ẹyẹ. Tí a bá ti ní PDP lókè yóò rọrùn fún wa gbogbo ariwo tá ń pa yìí. Tí ẹ bá sì gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu president wa, ẹ̀ẹ́dì gbogbo tó jẹ́ wàhálà ní Nàìjíríà gbogbo pátápátá náà ti mọ̀. Torí mo ti mọ̀ sọ ọ̀rọ̀ insecurity, a mọ̀ sọ ọ̀rọ̀ iṣẹ́ tí ó sì gbogbo ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti sọ yìí. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ti sọ gbogbo ìgbésẹ̀ tí wọ́n gbé láti lè rí i pé yédùn fún gbogbo mẹ̀kúnnù ní Nàìjíríà. Ọlọ́run bá tó láyé tọ́lọ́run ló bá wọn ṣe. We clamor for change the other time, and we have seen the change now. It is time for us now to change the change, and I know inshallah we'll do that. Nigeria will do that. God bless Nigeria.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.